Bangladesh Air Force to purchase Mi-28 Havoc attack helicopter from Russia. Emphasis has been placed on further enhancing the capabilities of the Bangladesh Air Force in the force's goal 2030 to ensure a strong national defense system. As part of this, 8 Mi-28 attack helicopters are being purchased from Russia. It will cost around 4,100 crore takas to buy these helicopters. This information has been known from the sources of the Ministry of Finance. A proposal has recently been sent to the Finance Ministry for pre-approval on the purchase of helicopters from Russia. It said policy approval was given for the purchase of 8 Mi-28 attack helicopters for the Bangladesh Air Force in the current and next financial year through direct negotiations with the government of Russia, the selling country under GTG, government with government, or its designated agency. It will cost approximately 4,100 crore. According to the proposal, the purchase of 8 helicopters at a cost of 4 crore 35 lakh euros will cost 34 crore 60 lakh euros or 3,365 crore 60 lakh taka. The rest of the money will be spent on overseas and local training, insurance, VAT, agency commission and other expenses for the operation and maintenance of the helicopter. A 12-member joint committee has been formed under the chairmanship of an Air Vice Marshal at the Air Force headquarters in accordance with the Armed Forces procurement policy for direct negotiations with the Russian government or Russian government nominees for the purchase of helicopters. The committee members include 2 representatives from the Prime Minister's Office, Ministry of Defense, Finance Department, Economic Relations Department, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Ministry of Law, National Board of Revenue, Armed Forces Department, SFC, DP, and Biman Sadar. The proposal further said that the cost of purchasing the helicopter will be paid from the bulk allocation of 4,100 crore takas for the next 5 fiscal years, including the current 2021-22 fiscal year or the next 5 fiscal years from the next 2022-23 fiscal year. In this case, payment will be made through LC or through remittance under Bangladesh Embassy located in the country concerned.